Most people think setting up a golf simulator takes 2 or 3 people, but that's not true. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how I can set up our Birdie Express golf simulator completely by myself. And I want to show you exactly why you should not be intimidated by it, and you can do it too. So let's get right into it, all right? Quick pause. If you are getting value out of this video and you think somebody else can get value out of this video, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe so YouTube knows that it's valuable. And look, these videos are totally free. They're jam-packed with content, but if you are looking for a little bit more information, check out the bio. There is an ebook in there, and that could be really helpful for you. Let's get back to the video. All right, so that's basically the full setup from start to finish. You can see it is not rocket science, not even close. If you can follow a few steps, you can get this whole setup done too. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.